What are the best indoor plants? From promoting a positive well-being to naturally purifying the air, plants can be vital in enhancing your indoor spaces. For apartment dwellers, however, the task of keeping a plant alive is daunting. The limited space and lack of natural light can be a death sentence for many plants, and the amount of maintenance can seem overwhelming. But don't cross plant ownership off your list quite yet. Here are some different plants that can thrive in almost all homes. The Chinese Evergreen, or what we like to call as the Aglaonema, does best in indirect sunlight and can thrive in low light spaces with low or high humidity. This plant can even survive on artificial light if necessary. Pothos. The pothos plant can be hung from a basket or potted normally and can thrive in a wide variety of lighting. They are also known for their air purification properties and can strip your home of toxins that are known to form in carpets and rugs. The peace lily. If you have a bad habit of killing delicate lilies, you are likely to have better luck with the peace lily. This plant can survive in very dim settings and only requires watering once in a week. Peace lilies will even grow well under fluorescent lights, making them a good option for your bathrooms or offices with little light. Cactus. They are funky, they are non-fussy, and probably the poster plants for non-garden environments. Cacti only require watering once a week while growing, but during cooler weather in the winter months, watering intervals may be longer. Place in a sunny area, but keep out of direct sunlight, which can make the cactus look bleached or even orange. Cacti have irresistibly unique aesthetic that blends with a range of apartment styles from bohemian to modern. The snake plant. This succulent is incredibly tough and can survive nearly any environment. The snake plant has tough leaves that can tolerate low light, water occasionally, allowing the soil to dry between waterings. The plant grows best in typical indoor temperatures. Aloe Vera. Indoor aloe vera, you'll have instant medication on your hand for scrapes and burns, plus a spiky decor item to your kitchen and living room. Keep it near a window and water regularly, allowing the top 2 inches of soil to dry between waterings. Philodendron. This is a staple interior plant that is great for apartment dwellers because it'll tell you exactly what it wants. Is your philodendron turning yellow? This means it's getting too much sunlight. Place it in an area with bright but indirect sunlight. Is it growing small leaves? That means it wants more fertilizer. Feed it with manure and macronutrients once in a while. So these are some of the most commonly used indoor plants, which are also extremely simple to grow. Many of these plants purify indoor air, and you would like to have one of these plants in your bedroom, in your living space, or even above your refrigerator in the kitchen. If you would like an indoor garden, get in touch with us at urbanmali.com. You can also call us at 8880482000. Your friendly neighborhood gardener is waiting for you.